Start.
Hello friends, my name is Sagar Ramesh Kamble. I am learning in SYBA from HM College and I am student also Step by Step Institute of English Speaking Class, and we have gathered here for doing assignment, and he is Ram sir, and he is manager in LIC office.
Okay, I'm Bhavna Pandit Padare. I'm learning in 12th standard in CHM College and I'm from the step by step class.
My name is Shreya Pandit Padare. I'm learning in 9th standard and my school name is Takshila Vidyalaya, and as well as I'm student of step by step class.
My name is Shraddha Pandit Padre. I am learning in SYBA from CHM College, and I am also a student of Step by Step Institute of English Speaking.
Okay, my name is Yogesh Subhadudar. I am doing IT engineering in third year in Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, and as well as I am a student of Step by Step class.
My name is Shital Ramesh Kamble. I am one of the students of Step by Step class. So today we are going to discuss 370 article. So start please.
Okay, then first of all,
See, today that bill has been passed in Rajya Sabha first, because directly they taken bill and they pass, and it is so much means for other people it is so much beneficial bill. But according to in the Kashmiri people, they didn't like that why they passed without our permission. That's why people are Kashmiri people, they are opposing and some are satisfied. But is it not like this? But from 72 years it was means long. From that time it was in long distance, nobody couldn't do anything, and that Amit Shah, that home minister, he could do that because he had idea everybody will support that bill. After a long time we are means we are that discaring that bill, that's why he could do that. Then what's your opinion?
According to my opinion, it is a very good decision. Why? Because Dr. Ambedkar also he wanted to revoke oppose that bill, but now that government, our Delhi government, they passed this bill and everybody is supporting. Means everyone's thinking positively towards that, because we want Kashmir, all Kashmir, not half Kashmir in our India. What happened because of that article 370 and 35? Because of that they were getting very separate things. It was like a divide of India, but because of now it also came in India, and there we can apply our Indian constitution, because that Jammu Kashmir constitution was different. But now they have to follow our Indian constitution, which was written by our Dr. Basa Ambedkar. So it is very good thing. So we should also support to that bill.
Okay, what do you feel? So see, now as you spoke that there is no any permission. They have not taken any kind of permission from the our Kashmir from the home minister. They he has not taken permission. So what do you feel? It's not good, because whenever we are going to do something, so first we should take the our people opinion. It's very important, as we are we are in democracy. Okay, so
Yeah.
we should take everybody's permission. So what do you feel? It's not somewhere good. The Kashmiri people, they are not really satisfied. Half people they are satisfied, but we should not think about only one person. We have to think about all the people.
okay, I agree with you because that much early decision. Why? First of all, as she spoke, that we must take, at least, people's opinion is very much important according to me. And everybody is telling yes, it is a good opinion. Even I'm not telling it is, a bad decision. I really, happy with that because 370 Act it is removed. But just think that how that people are living in Kashmir. We are here. Suppose just think that we are living in Maharashtra, and suppose somebody will tell us now it is not your Maharashtra. How you will feel that? Just I feel that people are facing many kind of problems. I know before also curfew was there, but at present how they are facing problem. Small children are there. Whenever they go outside, they are eating food by aeroplane. We did not see that situation. We did not go in that place. That one of the professor was there. He lived there for 10 days in Kashmir. Then he was really, it was so horrible moment was for him by seeing the situation of that people. They are living in fearness. Do you know that Nakshalwadi? See why? Do you know now their condition has become they are not from this side also, not this side also. Frustration, or indirectly, unknowingly in them, that anger will come out, and they will feel that already their life was in dangerous zone. They were feeling we can lose, we can lose our life anytime. But now, now they will feel that okay, we want to lose. If you want to kill us, they will become Nakshalwadi. Therefore, we have to think about the people emotions also. Otherwise, we are taking, and this decision they took so much early, immediately. At least, as she spoke, that we must, people's opinion is very much important for that.
You are right. I also support democracy, but means it is not just decision. It had planned before. Means we can't take like this decisions in means within less time. But it had planned already, because today also I heard sensational news today I heard. So at the time they told Miss our defense advisor Ajit Doval, he had gone there. That Kashmiri people he meet. Yesterday also sir told when we visit that people, when we visit to people, so then we get that actual their what is their condition. So he made them, and then that people were supporting his that Narendra Modi's decision, Amit Shah's decision. They were supporting, and their rumor was there one that firing had happened like this, but there was not any firing. So that people means they also deny that rumors. They didn't means what we can say. They didn't belong on that firing. So like this means that Kashmiri people are now supporting. So how can we say like this?
See, you spoke that we have. I support democracy.
Yes.
We must support democracy because in our constitution has written because we are the people of India, and they while submitting this bill, what was their condition? It is the integral part of India. Integral means unlegal. Then while supporting bill, what was condition? First, we have to take permission from that Kashmiri people. Then afterwards, legislature permission. Then president. Between these three stages, nobody can't come between that people. Then what they did? Directly they taken bill, they submit, and without means with that without asking anyone, they pass bill, and within 1 2 days it could pass. And other bill it takes so much time from long time. That's why while taking decision, what he spoke, he had that Amit Shah, they apply 144 article 144. At that time also they means they apply all police forces, all that CRPF forces. At that time, they were in that house arrested all that former chief minister Omar Abdullah, Omar Abdullah, that Mehbooba Mufti. That much means that much critical condition they had created. Why? Because they should not agitate it, and everybody has their right. If they are removing this, they are dissolving this act 360. They are removing that 360. Then they should give their fundamental rights. Why they are doing like this? 370 they are doing, then why they are taking their rights? Because they are doing somewhere wrong, because they are taking their fundamental rights. Everybody had their right to equality, right to speech, but what they did, you should not agitate in state that day anywhere. That's why they house arrested everybody, and it is not good thing. They close everything, and afterwards they apply. Means they had idea before we will dissolve this bill, and it will create so much critical problems in Jammu Kashmir. That's why I mean they should have taken permission. And what they Ladakh separated, and after there no legislature. Then how always central government can command on any time. They are commanding on Jammu Kashmir. Tomorrow they can command on any state. It shows that means BJP government they are doing like this. Means it was not possible, and they could do this. Then it indicates that they can do in any state. We can purchase our, in some states are there, and Mizoram, Nagaland, there also we can't purchase our own land. But now Jammu Kashmir, all rich people will become rich, but poor will become poor. Their reservation is decreasing. What about that?
See, you said first. I would like to tell you they were telling about democracy. We should take their first permission. See, already their condition is totally bad. If you go to ask them their personal opinion, everybody will tell different. And you said that they didn't take permission of anyone. They directly pass this bill in 2 days. It is not like this. They have taken already. They have so much. In parliament it passed. They see how many majority, how many MPs they are supporting to each other. Already according to constitution they passed that bill. They didn't force anyone. And the second thing is that you are telling that now we can purchase land also there. It is good thing. Okay, it should not happen there. But what will happen? Already you are telling that rich will become rich there and poor will become poor. Okay, I'm agree with that, because who has more money, that rich people will go there and they will purchase. But second thing is that why they are allowing like this, because at least some people they will go there, they will start their business, and their people will get some jobs, some business will happen, means automatically their unemployment will decrease and employment will increase there. So that is the main intention. And you are telling that about the article 144, it is not like they were not opposing, because see why they did like this action, because our soldiers, whenever any actions their situation, critical situation creates there, that time our army peoples they goes there, that they cannot take action. Why? Because they have to listen that people, Kashmiri people. But because of them many soldiers were also abused by that people. So now what will happen? Now they have to follow according to constitution. So if they do something terrorist, they attack, suppose our people will attack by them, so at least our army can take action by there, because our constitution will follow there, and there all people are happy, nobody is opposing that. So it is a good decision, it is not any bad decision finally.
Yes, of course it is a okay good decision. But okay, see now as you told that, as you discussed that, okay, about the really as a economically it will be not be that much benefit. Why? Because poor people will become poor, rich people will okay become rich. But one more thing is that now see, where if you go according to the our okay what you can say the constitution and about okay environmental also. So what will happen? The Kashmir is there. It is said as a okay heaven of our okay country. So don't you feel everybody will go there? They will okay do population will increase. They will purchase their own land. They will do their okay their business. So don't you feel how our Mumbai is there now? In Mumbai there is no place for walking even. Okay, we have there is so much crush. Don't you feel it will be very bad for that okay environmental also? Because that okay when we go any person okay it is a very what you can say it is very good place. Okay, but because of these things it will not be good. So what do you feel about it?
Actually, I would like to tell about it. Now you said that if it will be like this, of course, it is said as a haven of our country. So if there will increase population, so 101% are haven means it is said as a haven that Kashmir is there. It will become bad and
It will become like
yeah,
hell.
hell. And even actually, according to me, I feel that people's opinion is exceedingly important for us. Because for example now see if we are touching anyone's thing so directly that person gets anger and we are touching their country and they are living in them, so of course they will get anger also, and that that anger
Emotions.
yes emotions, we can't say actually anger, that emotions if we are touching anyone's thing, so we feel so much bad. If new dress will be there, so we feel that no, first I should wear that and after that you. So if we are touching anyone's thing, so how that person feels, it must important for us. So I feel that first we should see people's opinion also, because they live there, not we are living there.
See, my dear, you said that we are touching their lands, we are touching their people things, but you said that they are from their country. It is not any country. It is already part of India already. It is in India. Only thing is that there different constitution available, there different flag available. If you are telling that Kashmir is there, see, everyone here Indian is there, correct? Everyone's opinion will be that that Kashmir, full Kashmir should come in India. Nobody's
It should be
opinion
part
will be
of us.
different. Part of India should be there. Okay, so for all India, only one constitution should be there or different. One constitution should be there, one flag should be there. Our constant one flag should be there. So because of that, we revoke that 370. If you give 370 there, so there different flag will be there, different constitution will be there, and different it will separate from India. If you finish that, if you revoke that, it will come in India, or it will one constitution, one flag will be there, means it prove that it is a part of India. And because of that, now Pakistan also understood that, and they they finish all connection with India now, and they are telling that we will solve this issue in they are involving America also in that. Why? They know that if India revoke 370, then we have to leave our land also, which that
Which
Pakistan,
has been
yes, the that Pakistan that
LOC.
LOC is there. That also they will have to leave, because it will prove that it is a part of India. That's why they are telling we should solve this issue in INO. But India does, we don't want to solve this issue in INO. Why? Because already 70 years finished. Now we will not solve. Now already government has majority. This is a time to take good actions. If you never take good actions, now what happen afterwards? We will not get chance to take like this such a action. So it is a good time to take action. That's why government too. Otherwise, in future, maybe others government will come. So it is not any bad in that.
You spoke that government took this decision, but majority has only one party. One party has majority. What about means 82 people 82 MP opposed. Why they opposed? Behind that something reason was there, and already petition has filed in Supreme Court. Now of course they will have to give decision on that petition. They will hear that case, and afterwards that without any reason nobody will file petition in Supreme Court about that state. It was special provisional state, and without their permission you are doing like we are doing, means that central government took decision like this, and without their any what we can legislature permission, legislature president also didn't interfere in that case, anything direct without legislator and without people opinion. We can't do like this. We have to follow procedure, and without following procedure we are doing directly government is taking decision. Then government can change anything tomorrow. All Ambani Adani they will purchase land, and their what we can say jobs will not create. They will purchase land because they can purchase all Jammu Kashmir within 1 second. That much they have money. But what about that poor people? Because everybody should get equal chance. And that you spoke that all means government took this decision for the different flag, different constitution, because it was special provisional. Supreme Court decisions for only for other state except Jammu Kashmir. But before it was, but now all decision everybody has one flag, everybody has that one decision, everybody there also they will have to also listen fundamental rights. But what about their critical condition? Who will solve that critical condition? Government can't solve that. It will create problem. That's why they apply Article 144.
Okay, I want to tell you about that decision. You are telling that article about 370, but if you see also in constitution also Dr. Ambedkar wrote that it is only temporary decision. It is not a permanent decision. In beside that he wrote that word temporary. We can revoke any time. We can remove that any time. Already it mentioned that. And you are telling about that children's. What about their education? Believe me, before because of Article 370, their women were not allowed to marry with other people. They have to marry only with Jammu Kashmir people. They don't want to marry also. But now because it removed, so they can marry all India. Means according to their situation, and many people they can visit. See, because of because of Article 370, there are always 144 article, that Article 144 available. Why? Because we cannot walk. See how Maharashtra people they can live in Mumbai, they can visit, they can live as a human beings. They have all rights. But in Jammu Kashmir, their children they cannot go to school. They cannot, their women they cannot do outside jobs because they don't have rights. Because their situation is like this. If they are outside also go directly, the terrorist attack will be there or other things, something situation will be there. So there are always soldiers available. But now it will not happen there. If somebody takes action, soldiers will get rights to take action that against that person. So our soldiers will not die in that. So it is a very good thing because we have to think about our soldiers also. Every time if they were killed by terrorists, it is not a good thing. So we have to think about that. We are thinking about peoples. It is good thing peoples. And see our Indian government. It is not going to. We are not going to do that. Miss Hukum Shah, what it is? Command on them. We are not going to command on Jammu Kashmir. Before also many times we tried to tell them by believeness you should come in India. It is a part of already you are in India. Afterwards we will not do any demand command on them. So it is already by positively thinking we are taking them, and they are also ready to come. So it is finally it will Jammu Kashmir it will develop. You are telling about that Assam, correct? So you are telling that okay, now it will develop slowly. It will get time for time. In 1 years or 2 years, it will not develop. It will take time. But government took positively action against that, not negatively.
You are right because I heard that when that in Rajya Sabha that debate was going on, one lady was, I don't know her name, what she told, when we were going
कोण आहे
to
गं?
Kashmir,
मम्मी
that
आता
people were they
मम्मी
had
असेल
their
तिला सांग
own
मला
flag,
असाइनमेंट चालू आहे
another red color, and our
कोणाचा
flag is
मम्मीचा आहे का
triple
जा बरं
triple
कोण आहे
color.
बघ
Triangle means tricolor.
कोण
Our
आहे
that flag is.
कोण
So they were using two, but their own flag was there. So when we were going from our country to there in Jammu Kashmir, they were asking, "Are you from India?" They means in reality they were our part, but then also they were asking, "Are you from India?" So it touched I think someone. So it is not like this. Some that means that people also should that feel that they should realize that they are also part of our India. So that's why I think this decision had taken.
But it is right, okay. Means whenever it touched to our field, but from 72 years that people they are only managing. Okay, it's just see that Raja Harishchandra was there. Okay, something is there.
Yeah, Raja
Okay,
Harishchandra.
he just gave without asking them. He gave that constitution immediately to India. From many years, okay, they are okay. The managing all the things. When always that Pakistan just now Pulwama attack was there. Again their attacks are there. So just think that how okay. Of course they will ask that. Are you from India or are you from Pakistan? 100% they will ask because they'll always live in fear. Because see they have not got any kind of freedom anymore, but just they have just the what you can say one kind of just sympathy is there from our side. Okay, they are our India, our part, but there is no really any kind of okay we are our people they are managing for them. But just tell me how many times the people they have attacked on okay Kashmir. So 100% they will ask us. So we should not feel that, we should not touch it, should not touch our heart. They should okay do something for themselves. It is very much important.
I agree with her because as she spoke that Miss you are from India. Of course they will feel that because do you know their condition has become they are not from Pakistan and they are not considered as a India also. Then whom they will believe? Finally, what is happening with them? They are living in fearness, and I agree with both point also as we spoke. If it will become, and of course it is part of our India, but in real they are not ready to accept. Then how we will force any person to force
कोण
you
येते
are from
बघतं
my country, please
मम्मीचा
accept
असला
my
तर
India and all. We can't force anyone that. But when it will become, see, we can't say that now people are feeling so bad and all. Of course, it will take some time to accept it
हॅलो
because
हॅलो
yes, because of course we must. Are you listening? See, because therefore it will take some time and we must have patience. Then only we can manage all these things. Okay, then I feel that okay, so therefore I feel that it's a good decision, and we must follow that, and we are thinking about the people. It will happen because from many years they are living in Kashmir, in that situation. Therefore, I feel that it will take some time, but after some days they will also feel that they will feel secure. Main thing, because of their security they are fearing, and they are not comfortable now. How anything, how we will accept easily. Then it will take some time, and of course it will become part of our India, and people also will be much more comfortable as we are.
Yes, actually, I am agree with her that if they are not ready to expect our country, means we are from India. So of course we should not force them, because see, their constitution is different, their flag is different, and very important thing, if they are not ready to expect, so we should not force them. Okay, it is also part of our India, but after all it up to that person's opinion. So if they are not ready to expect, so we can't force them also. So I feel that if they are not ready to expect, so okay, let it be. But when they will realize that no, our country is good, so 101% by their self they will be ready to expect our country.
My question is that government wanted to revoke that act and they wanted to give fundamental rights, so
Yes.
means right to equality, right to speech. But why they didn't give them right to equality? Why didn't give them before revoking this act, right, that fundamental rights? Because where were they, the government? Because they didn't ask that people, means do you want to come here or do you want to go there? Because they had said if first both country will take their army back, and you will survey, all country will survey who wants to go there, they can go each and other country on their as their permission. But they didn't give them fundamental rights. Then how can you say that they gave them, it is now right to equality, right to speech?
Okay, I want to tell you about that. You were telling first, you didn't ask 82 members are there. They are opposing that. See, who are opposing? We cannot tell everyone. According to everyone's mentality, we have to go. 82 are opposing, but except 82, more majority they are supporting that. Finally, we have to go according to support it, because opposition's work. What is opposition work? They have to oppose in any situation. They cannot support government. If they will government support means, then how can this? We can say them they are opposition party. So finally, we have to. So opposite, see, you are telling that BJP government is there, that's why they are doing like this. So finally Congress will oppose. Why? Because they have to oppose, because they are opposition party, they cannot support that. If they know, if that person knows it is a good decision, finally they have to oppose. Okay, that is there. You are telling that why we didn't take permission of that people. See, many after taking this decision, many that people were asked by reporters how you are feeling well now, because their people are also happy now. If they are happy, so it doesn't matter. Means finally they are happy. According to them, it is happening, and you are telling that both countries they should take army back. See, it cannot be happen now, because India will ready to back their army back, but Pakistan will not ready, because they knows that finally they also know what is the history, real history. India also know, and all world also know what is the real history. What happened when India and Pakistan were divided that time. So they know, they will not say. Many times we tried, Samjhauta Express we started because of that. It now it stopped. Why? Because Pakistan government they stopped this. Why? Because they know that we revoke Article 370. Because of that, Samjhauta Express finished. Now that water issue was there, many times we tried to do friendship with them, but they always they are not ready to do friendship with us. So every time we cannot do like this now, and it is a very important question of our country. So we cannot go person to person. Every person we cannot ask. Finally, government is taking decision. More parliament member they are supporting that, and everybody is happy now. See, you are telling that some people they are opposing, but now if you see Mayawati, she supported it. She is also opposition, but she supported. But who are really interested? They are thinking that it should come in India. They will really support. But who are not interested to? They are telling who want to play politics on that. Like Mehbooba Mufti, she knows, because if BJP government will do this work, so her vote will go there. She knows that. So that's why she had to oppose that, because she's in opposition party. But we have to think what is the exactly good decision, and we have to follow that. That's why their people are happy now.
But do you know, means I listen everybody's opinion, but according to me, means I'm negotiating my argument with you, because with you people, because when I read that book, Ramchandra Guha's India After Gandhi, in that they have means Ambedkar, he had Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar,
Ambedkar.
he has declared, means he has declared at the time, it is not our part, it is integral part. That time also it was not our part, and now by forcing, means that time also some people they forced to him that attach that page to in constitution. It was not, in reality it was not our part, it was integral part, means it was beauty. But by forcing that, some people they wanted the, what we can say, harvest people, greedy people was there, they wanted that part in our India, and they taken also, and they by force that page too has attached in our constitution. But now what I means it means now they have taken decision, so we should respect, because now that people should get all that facilities which supreme by means they before they were not going to Supreme Court, they were not reaching till Supreme Court, because their own that law and that all things were there.
Different.
But now they are getting that all facilities we are getting, means that it is a part of that individual what we can say, individual freedom was also there. Means before they were, means we should have asked them, but we didn't ask, but now we have taken already, so we can't change that, but we should respect of that decision. But means how now they have taken decision, and when good decision and high decisions are there, it takes time, means it takes long times to
Change them.
showing their impact, and afterwards really definitely we will get their good impact.
Last, actually, now I feel that we should stop, but last I would like to tell only one thing. If somebody is giving, by the constitution we are telling it is my country, it is my land, it will not happen. Finally, from by heart, by mind, if we are accepting that thing, then only we can feel that, that Kashmir people should tell that if their 370 act is there, let it be, keep there. But if that people are telling yes, India is my country, then in real we can feel that there is no any, okay, there is no any constitution, but still see we have revoked that, we have removed that 370 act, but still people are ready to accept our country. Means of course it is their country also, but from their heart, if they are not ready to accept that, then it will be of no use. Whatever we have taken action, against that 370 act, it will be of no use. Then according, we should not force anyone, we should, that people should tell we want to be part of our India, then only it will be, in real that 370 act will be removed.
Yes, right.